Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot Vision with Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft's Copilot Vision is a new way to have AI work with you as you use your Windows PC or Mac. Navigate the web in Microsoft Edge or view the Word from your phone. It's like a second set of eyes that can instantly scan, analyze, and offer insights based on what Copilot sees. When you activate Copilot Vision, Copilot can view your screen or mobile camera feed and use Copilot voice to answer questions you interact with. So, now how Copilot Vision simply, or how can we use it on Windows, for example? So, Copilot Vision lets you share selected browser windows or apps with Copilot during an active session. So, you're literally gonna share your screen like you're streaming for someone. Copilot can answer questions about what you choose to share and provide step-by-step guidance. While a vision session is active, Copilot can answer questions about the app or browser windows you've shared during the active session. Even if they are no longer open in front of you, when the vision session ends, Copilot immediately stops observing or all shared content is cleared. So there is no worries of your data to be leaked. Copilot Visions works with any app on Windows. However, if the content includes harmful or DRM protected material, Copilot will not be able to analyze it. Here is how to use it step by step. So, first of all, initiate a Copilot Vision session in the Copilot app by clicking in the glass icon in the Composer. Then select which screen or app you want to share with Copilot, and while Copilot Vision is active, you will see a glowing orange outline around shared screen or application. Vision launches with start with text enabled by default, so you can vision status and controls appears inside the dock Copilot panel. You can have a text conversation with Copilot and ask questions about what you see in the shared application, and it will answer you back. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in this upcoming video.